Welcome back How to University. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also in the comments section, let me know what next video you would like to see here on the channel. So in this video, we're going to teach you how to make a quick resume using the tool called Canva. So when you open up Canva on their website, you're going to type in resume, and a ton of resumes are going to come up. So depending on the type of job that you want to obtain, you want to head over to the left side here and you want to see the category section. Once you click on the category section, there's a little section that says view more. You're going to click on that. And let's say that you wanted to find a job in the Web3 space or in the creative space. So we're going to click on the checkbox here that says creative. Once you've created the resume, you are going to go through and check all of the information that is on the resume, and you're going to input all of your information, and there is the way to get your new potential job using Canva to design your new resume. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.